So hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to delete installed apps at once. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump into the topic. So firstly, open your Play Store. We aren't downloading any app, so I just show you the process. Okay, so simply follow my steps. Click on three lines and here you can see my apps and games. Click on it and here you can see installed, right? So in installed, click on storage. So in storage you can select apps and delete at once. This is how you can delete installed apps at once. Okay, thank you so much.